Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? Today, we'll take an in-depth look at TQQQ, building upon our initial report published on Thursday, February 1, 2024. Get ready for a more detailed analysis. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong buy, giving it a score of 2.64. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 11.79% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy candidate 18 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.66% since our initial recommendation. The ETF is currently positioned within a strong upward trend, indicating potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 39.6% change in the next 3 months, with estimated returns ranging between 30.18% and 48.25%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an expected 87.11% change over the next year, with potential returns between 30.16% and 97.03%. This equates to a price range of $70.94 to $107.38 after 12 months. Our latest update on TQQQ brings a stronger technical forecast for the ETF's price after Thursday's trading. On Thursday, February 1, 2024, the TQQQ ETF price increased by 3.53%, going from $52.64 to $54.50. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a 3.27% fluctuation, starting from a low of $52.91 and reaching a high of $54.64. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, accumulating a total increase of 5.7% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 25 million shares, with a total of 76 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $4.12 billion. It is important to note that a decline in volume at higher prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price observed for the ETF was $57.90, while the lowest price reached $20.13. Currently, the price is 5.87%, equivalent to $3.40, below the 52-week high, and 71.45%, equivalent to $136.38, below the all-time high achieved on January 8, 2021, when the price peaked at $190.88. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals for the TQQQ ETF. Let's dive in. The TQQQ ETF currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. This means that while the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $55.48. On the other hand, if it falls, it could find support from the long-term average at approximately $51.10. Keep in mind that a breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it's worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. It's important to closely monitor the ETF in light of this. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may have an influence on its short-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, and so far the ETF has fallen by -4.50%. It's expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which suggests a buy signal. Another signal is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger signal is a buy signal that occurred 8 days ago. The short-term moving average signal shows a sell signal 3 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average signal is a buy signal that occurred 19 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 59 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average signal indicates a sell signal 13 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average signal indicates a buy signal 57 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 47 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the ETF has found support just below today's level at $44.40 and $44.24. Support levels are important because if they are broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $44.40 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $44.24 and $42.94. It's worth noting that TQQQ is considered a high-risk ETF due to its volatility. This means it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, in the last day alone, the ETF moved $1.73 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 3.27%. Over the past week, the ETF has had an average daily volatility of 3.15%. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market is moving upwards, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $54.54. If you're not currently invested in this stock, it may be wise to wait until it surpasses this level before entering a position. For those who are already holding TQQQ, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market is experiencing a downturn, TQQQ's first support level is at $44.40. If this support level holds, it could present a great opportunity to enter a position and anticipate a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $51.89, which reflects a decrease of 4.79%. It's important to note that this ETF experiences significant daily movements, which introduces a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 3 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, we believe that TQQQ ETF presents a potential buying opportunity in the short term. Multiple short-term signals and a positive overall trend support this conclusion. Therefore, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. However, it's important to note that our systems have observed an overvalued current price based on volatility and recent market movements. Looking ahead to Friday, February 2nd, we anticipate TQQQ to open with a decrease of $0.483 and begin trading at $54.02. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. Also, let us know what your target is for the ETF. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.